wrote a little piece of software this morning that kind of is pretty cool. I guess I'll give you a demo. And the idea is that instead of like recording, uh, tapping on your table and then using impulse to MIDI to um, create a MIDI file, you would use your mouse or your keyboard uh, clicking on this or typing on your keyboard when you're listening to something that you want to convert to MIDI. So the idea is that it's super clean. There's no work involved, and it's kind of like having a keyboard, but without needing a keyboard. I'll show you how it works. Probably long enough, so it created this MIDI file, and so then we close this down and open up Rose Garden on it. And Rose Garden just needs some, yeah, there you go. So you can see the notes there. And if we open this up in our MIDI thing, should be able to see it. And we can also play it. So and it's kind of a annoying sound, so let's switch it to a more pleasing sound. So we can just go back to Rose Garden and then switch this over to, I kind of like the synth bass, see what it sounds like. Yeah, you can see that this is indeed MIDI, right? Like that's the, see what's a good one. Maybe Rain. Oh, yeah, that wouldn't work. What about Woodblock? Okay, so the idea is that this is heavily modifiable. So if you want to use the XY coordinates to do some sort of expression, you can write that code in pretty easily. It's such a short script that you can really do quite a lot to it pretty easily, and that's kind of the idea, is that it's 200 lines of code, has everything you need to make a MIDI file, and has a user interface as well, and it's pretty cool. So this MIDI recorder project is something that I'm going to put a few minutes into to try and get people to use it and see how it goes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.